All right, so let's check out the headlines for our Hot Topics today. Here we go. Of course, we start with COVID. Good news, 13 additional recoveries. So that's great. That's where I want to start. Well, may I start with the 13 recoveries first? Cardian, may I mix? Mm-hmm. It's a...
Some good news, some not so good news.
There are 19 new COVID cases, bringing the tally to 809, which is the concern. Of the new cases, 13 are imported from the U.S., 5 are contacts of confirmed cases, 1 is under investigation. So there are now 63 active cases in Jamaica. Meanwhile, there are 13 recoveries as well. Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm-hmm. So 13 is the number. I have so many questions. Like, yeah, COVID is a funny thing. I've seen people test negative and then afterwards they hear them positive. If they test positive, do we keep them here? Do we allow them to fly?
They're not supposed to be able to fly if they... I don't know if we're still testing here. Are we still testing here?
I think we had that backlog issue that they said they were going to try and clear this week.
So in the meantime, people just come in?
Yeah. Yeah, I know Jamaican people coming are still quarantined. I know they're still quarantined. But
you said the case is rising because of folks coming in.
Yeah.
So we've obviously contained, I think, the local cases for the most part.
You know what I'm dying for? Self-testing. I'm seeing somewhere people are allowing people to self-test.
Is that a rapid test?
I don't know what it is, but I think they should even allow private people to test. Like if you have your money, go pay your doctor for test you and take some of the pressure off of the government too. Nobody wait for government to tell you if you... Nobody wait for government to tell you if you have it or you don't have it. If you can afford to, go and test. So I think maybe that's where we need to start looking at setting up private access.
Some came in partnership with the embassy. Yes. Tapia handed it over last week, 2,000. Additional 2,000 kits, but I mean, when you have a backlog of 10,000.
Yeah.
Womp womp.
Yeah. Even if you go test it, I go to the same lab, eh?
It's all in the testing.
Or the private labs need to. So those are the things that confuse me, because when something like COVID happens, why wouldn't private labs push to get themselves accredited? I don't know. So
I think maybe some of the work is going to private labs. It can't be that government labs are doing all of this work, can it?
As far as I know.
Cannot be.
Like you have to be accredited or whatever to be able to do the test. But with COVID being what it is, I was thinking more people would have tried to get themselves up to speed to test.
Well, accreditation itself is a process, eh?
Yeah. We have to take some money off of the government do our health, so we have to figure it out.
Okay.